How to make Bulgogi Mac and Cheese. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Wrap the steak in plastic wrap and freeze for 2 hours to firm up. In a large bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, grated pear, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and 1 tablespoon gochujang until combined. Using a sharp knife, slice the steak about 1/4 inch thick against the grain, transfer to the bowl with the marinade and stir to coat the meat, then cover with plastic wrap, marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or up to overnight, stirring occasionally. After the meat has marinated, heat the vegetable oil in a large cast iron skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Using tongs, transfer the meat to the pan in a single layer, work in batches, if necessary, to avoid overcrowding, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side, until it reaches your desired internal temperature. Prepare the Kraft Deluxe 4-cheese mac and cheese according to the package instructions. Stir in the remaining tablespoon gochujang, adding more to taste if desired. Plate the mac and cheese on a serving dish and top with the bulgogi meat. Garnish with the green onions and sesame seeds. Serve immediately and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for Bulgogi Mac and Cheese. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.